Now what we have, instead of layers of the earth, now we're going to move up into the air, and we're going to talk about layers of the atmosphere. You know what the layers of the atmosphere are?
I don't. Please inform me.
All right, so we got troposphere,
Mm-hmm.
we have stratosphere,
Mm-hmm.
we have mesosphere,
Mm-hmm.
and we have thermosphere, and then we have exosphere. So we got 5 layers.
Fascinating.
It's a lot to cover.
It is a lot. Tell me about them.
All right, so first, atmosphere is a layer of gases surrounding the planet, and it's essential for life.
Mm-hmm.
Helps us protect harmful solar radiation and helps regulate temperature. There's a fact. Write that down. All right. Can you take a guess what the first layer is? Well, I'm gonna tell you.
Okay, cool.
It is troposphere.
Okay,
You know,
tell me about it.
it's the lowest layer.
Mm-hmm.
It's what we live in. It ranges from 8 to 15 kilometers high.
Can you give me that in miles?
No,
Okay.
I'm sorry.
All right. No, it's okay. It's not your fault.
Um, the layer contains most of the atmosphere's mass and is where weather occurs. It's
Mm-hmm.
characterized by a decrease in temperature with altitude.
Mm-hmm.
You understand that? All right.
All right.
Troposphere is where we live and breathe, containing the air we need to live.
Okay.
Next we have stratosphere.
Mm.
Alright. Stratosphere is a little bit higher and extends from about 15 to 15 kilometers. Don't ask me for
Did you just say
conversions.
15 to 15 kilometers?
15 to 50.
Okay,
So
50. I get you.
It has a range. It has a
Uh-huh.
range.
Mm-hmm.
It has something called ozone layer.
The
Without
ozone
the
layer.
pause. The ozone layer.
Okay.
Alright. Can you take a guess what that is?
Does it?
I'm gonna tell you.
All right.
It absorbs and scatters ultraviolet
Mm-hmm.
solar radiation, protecting the life on Earth.
Wow.
So it's like a protection for us.
Mm-hmm.
You know.
Always use protection.
Yes. So temperatures in the stratosphere, they increase with altitude due to absorption of radiation by the ozone layer. Fun fact. Write that down, kids. And Miss Hall. Alright, so what are we on? Third layer, we have mesosphere.
Mm-hmm.
This, the range is about from 50, starting from the end of stratosphere.
Yeah.
So we start from 50 and we go all the way up to 85 kilometers.
Wow.
This layer is where temperatures again decrease with altitude, reaching the coolest temperatures in the atmosphere around negative 90 degrees. I don't know how much that is in Fahrenheit.
Okay.
Most meteors burn up in this layer due to the friction with the atmosphere. So that's why some meteors don't land on the ground.
So why did the one that killed the dinosaurs land on
See,
the ground?
I don't know if that one was real.
Oh, okay.
Maybe it was too big to burn up in the layer.
Okay.
Maybe not enough time.
Maybe.
Okay, and after that we have second to the last layer. We have thermosphere.
Mm-hmm.
So this one, it goes from 85 kilometers all the way up to, take a guess,
100.
higher,
200.
way higher,
300.
way higher.
1,000.
No, a little less.
900.
It all goes up to 600 kilometers.
Okay.
So 85 to 600. That's like
That's a lot of kilometers.
That's 500 something range. Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
This layer is characterized by a dramatic increase in temperature, which can reach up to 2,500 degrees Celsius or more. Or more. Although it would not feel hot due to the thin air
Mm-hmm.
in that layer.
Right.
The last layer is exosphere.
Okay.
This one, oh, this is a big range. It
Okay.
might be too big.
Is
It goes from
so
600 all the
big.
way up to 10,000
Oh my
kilometers.
God.
That's
That's
a lot.
massive.
Um, this layer is where the atmosphere transitions into space,
Mm.
and it contains very few particles, mostly hydrogen and helium. And in this layer, we see a lot of satellites that orbit.
Mm.
Yeah, due to like weather and space reasons. Yeah.
Space reasons. I
Um.
like that.
Yeah. Atmosphere is very important for supporting life, weather patterns, and protecting us from space hazards. You know about like the atmosphere.
Mm-hmm.
You ever see like when space shuttles go up, and you
Yes.
see like a big boom?
Mm-hmm.
That's them exiting the atmosphere into
Mm.
space. So
Fascinating.
if exosphere is the layer that goes into space, that means they're probably exiting into the exosphere
Mm.
because they're reaching up to space, right? Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, that's the end of our discussion for today's layers of the Earth's atmosphere.
Yes.
Stay tuned for the next
Shut up.
one. It's gonna be a banger.